Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Drawing Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw using grid outline method. For using this method, you will need Drawing Grid app which you can install from the Play Store. Now I am going to show you how you can install it. You can go and search Drawing Grid app. I have already installed this app, Drawing Grid for the Artist, in my phone. In tab, I will show you how to open it here. When you open the app, it will look like this. You can import your photo from here, or you can select file option here. The file tab open and it shows orientation and paper size. Now you can select orientation either vertical or horizontal. Now you can see it clearly. Here I am going to choose vertical, and the paper size I will choose A4. Here you can choose any paper size A0 to A5 or custom size too. Now I am going to choose file option and I will select the picture which I am going to draw. Here you can crop it according to your paper size. Now select the crop option. Now your drawing is ready as A4 paper size. On top of that, you can see here 5 options available: line, diagonal, radial grid, label and lock. Line and label option is required to make a grid, or you can choose diagonal, radial grid or lock option also. Diagonal and radial grid will give you more accuracy. You can also zoom your drawing here to get more visibility. Here you can see if you zoom it, the label is also moving here. Now select the 3 lines which is showing on the left side of the tab. Now here you can select the size of the cell. You can change it according to your interest. Like here I am using 20 mm. You can change it any number like 10, 15, 5 according to your interest. It depends on you. Now we will you can change anything like effect, grid, color, stroke, anything. Here you can change effect, yani normal, black and white, outline, anything you want. Here I am going to take normal because my photo is already in a black and white. Now I am choosing show real size. So it will show the real size of your drawing. Like you are going to draw it on A4 paper, it will show you according to your paper size. Like in A4 paper, the drawing will look like this, exactly the same proportion which is in the A4 paper. Now here you can save, share, save your photo. Here you can increase the brightness and the contrast of your photo. Like if your photo is too bright, you can make it contrast, increase the contrast. And if you think that your photo is very much in contrast, you can increase the brightness of the photo. Now you can change the grid color. Like here you can change the color of the grid, change according to your choice. For making this sketch, I am going to use ivory seed. This is 220 GSM. This ivory seed cost me around 2.99 for 50 seeds. If you want this, I will send you the link on the my description box. So now I'm going to measure 20 mm on the scale. I've shown you the size of the cell is 20 mm. Now I'm going to measure it on my ruler. Here 20 mm. I make a mark on it. As I have finished making the grid, now I'm going to start the outline of the drawing. You can see line and the label on your app. That line and the label you choose on your drawing sheet and draw it according to that. You can take the measurement by using the divider. It will give you more accuracy. Now I think it will be easy for you to make the outline of your drawing. It will give you perfect result, and with more accuracy you can draw your portrait. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.